Lahorijan Khatri Transport Union, and we are going to have a talk with Srimati Keholi Kivami. She is the president of Transporters Union. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Hope you are fine.
Yeah, I'm fine.
So, as we came to know that some few days back, one truck driver was murdered. So, what is like? I heard that some protests and all these things are going on.
Yeah. See, we are asking the government to give justice to Sri Jiten Gogoi, who was been killed on 22nd of September. We are asking the government to book the culprit, to give compensation to the families, the bereaved families. Then we want the third charter of our demand is we want the government to intervene in this and help not only to stop all these killings, because we have been crying for nearly 23 years, 22 years. The way we transporters, we drivers have been, plying this highway, it is very danger. Every now and then our truck has been targeted. In 2018 also, there was a firing in my own truck. There were around 32 gunshots, but by the grace of God, our two drivers were injured, but it was not very serious. The tire got burst, but still now we have given the FIR, but still now no solution has come. We have been telling time and again to look into the matter, but there is no one to listen to our cry. So today Jiten Gogoi has been killed. Tomorrow, who knows, it will be our own drivers. Tomorrow it may be your driver, the other transporter drivers. So we are appealing to the government to stop this multiple taxation which is going on, starting from Lahorijan, Dimapur, New Field, then Dilai Gate, up to Imphal. Because of this highway, thousands of families have been fed from this highway. Not only the truckers, not only the drivers, but the mechanic, the person who sells oil, the person who is selling the parts. There are so many agencies, truck agencies. They are all running their business because of this. Our highway, this highway from Guwahati, Assam, crossing this Dimapur and going to Imphal, it is feeding 101% from here. So we are appealing to the government to hear to our cry. We are not against any organization. We are not against any government, but we are telling for the safety of our people to help us out from this illegal taxation, from killing, from firing on the highway. We don't want a lip service. We want a written agreement from the government.
I can definitely understand your pains and problems you are facing, and then as you are saying that it's not a small issue, it's from years and years you are suffering, your drivers, your truck, your union, everything is suffering, and they are only just giving papers and not actions. So today the protest was what is your demand now, and this protest will go on until the
government does not listen. First, our demand is to give compensation to the bereaved family.
Okay.
Second is to book the culprit. Third, the protection of our drivers and handymen and a guide which go to different places from Imphal, Dimapur.
So
and third is the main reason the DMC they have given in the news saying the truckers is baseless, but many a times we get a threatening calls from the unknown person saying your vehicle that your 10 vehicles have passed, your 5 vehicles have passed carrying a potato carrying a tomato. So you come and meet us. If you don't come and meet us, we'll blow you off. You are not allowed to come to Nagaland. You are criticizing us. You come and have a negotiation. That is the thing. The main route is from the DMC. They always say from DMC we have collected the information of your vehicles. How many vehicles of yours have passed? So if DMC is the root of all evil, means we are telling the government to stop this lazy system and give it to the DMC person only to collect the money, not to the lacers, because the lazy are the ones who are giving information to the other organizations. So this should be stopped.
Okay, ma'am. So, as per your thinking, this money which the transport unions, all this money which the transporters are giving, what do you think? Where is this money going? Where is all this money going?
I don't think it is going in the hands of the state government. It is going in the hands of some people who are collecting the money, because supposing, what I feel is, if it has gone to the exchequer of Nagaland government will never have a deficit, because the amount we transporters we pay daily in the gates and all on the highway, it is more than crores in a day. The amount of contribution wherever the transporters say, the transporters are forced to give, we have to give. So when we give, then only a vehicle can ply. So the amount of money we are giving, where it has gone, we want that accountability also. We should have a nice road. The roads are pathetic. We have to ply like that. But no one listened to us. The amount of money the transporters are paying, the truckers are paying, we also want to know where the money is going.
And then, as you are saying that, so as you are saying, like you are in your statement, you are saying that from after crossing from Assam till like Jammu or like till Kohima and all this till Impal, after paying this much money also,
we don't have. There's no solution. We have a sleepless night.
Okay, and then still you get harassments and your drivers and your people.
Yeah, we heard and we came to know like someone has been caught. One person has been caught, but I don't know whether that's true or not. But it seems they are expediting the cases. So let's hope that the Nagaland police do their work, because they said that one person has been caught.
Okay, so if I may ask, like, what was the reason for killing Mr. Jiten Gogoi?
We also don't know what is the reason.
Okay.
But from other people, we said there was a demand. But I don't know which group did, because even the transporters and all, they are not cooperating. The union, they went, but the transport was closed, so we don't know anything about it. But the poor drivers, if they have to call the transporter, but the poor driver, what was his fault? To drive the vehicle. Why was he shot? So there should be a justice for him.
And yes, as we always believe that if some problems are there, if something is there, we can always have a talk and find out a solution. Why to kill people? Why to shoot people? On that person is gone. He will never come back.
He will never come back.
Like this. Okay, and I'm very sure, ma'am, that even as per your words and as per your transport union's statement, you also want to do your business with peace only, with good nature only. But the
बोलने का क्या है, आज का नहीं है, बहुत साल से प्रॉब्लम चल ही रहा है। ये दीमापुर का ये प्रॉब्लम और हैरासमेंट सबसे ज़्यादा है। मैसेज करो तो यहाँ प्रॉब्लम है, दीमापुर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से प्रॉब्लम है, बिना मैसेज का गाड़ी गया तो फाइन दो, वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम दीमापुर का बहुत दिन से